easily sync editor variables with SyncIt. So as you can see, I'm changing the colors here of all these buttons simultaneously. And I can also Command Z and undo that. And how that's working is I've listed the components I want to sync here. And so any property I change on this will be updated to all these buttons. And it's not just buttons. SyncIt will work on whatever you want to do with it. So we can also do text. So we can turn off best fit here and keep all these the same size. Or undo that. You know, it's really handy if you want to change everything to a different font. That's pretty easy. Color works here too. So that's colors, fonts. You can also do rect transforms. So we could change this to have these buttons be a little bit more lined up to the edges. That looks nice or not. And it works with anything. So it uses reflections, but all the code is in the editor, so it's not going to add any extra build to your game. So you can use whatever script you want with it. So here's an example script. I just added a single variable. I can change this to whatever value I want, and it'll update every location. So you see it there, there, there. They're all updated. And so whatever script you want to sync, you just have to create a sync script for it. And that's really easy. So here's the example script from there. The parent script has all the code in it, so you're just creating a subclass. And like here's the difference between the transform and the example. The only thing you need to do is name it and specify the type here. Well, it's recommended. That adds the component, the prototype component, and here. And this is necessary to tell, you know, the SyncIt script what type of script that we're syncing. But that's it. And super powerful tool. You can sync whatever script you want really easily.